Now let's move on to the 16th problem. Solve each of the following equations, and it has 3 subdivisions. We'll start with A. This is 2 log base 5 of x plus log base 25 of x equals 5. Now let's do this. We'll start with the left hand side. LHS equals 2 times log x over log 5 plus log x over log 25 using simple change of base rule. Now this is 2 times log x over log 5 plus log x over log 5 square. Now this is 2 times log x over log 5 plus log x over 2 times log 5, again using power rule. Now let's take LCM, which is 2 log 5, and this will go 2 times, so this will be 4 log x plus log x. So that's equal to 5 log x over 2 log 5. So we have come this far, and we'll continue here. Now LHS equals 5 log x over 2 log 5, and this is equal to 5. Now we can cancel 5 both sides, and therefore log x equals 2 log 5, or log x equals log 5 square. Therefore, after removing the log, x equals 5 square or x equals 25 is the answer. Now let's do B. This is log base 2 of x minus log base 4 of x plus 6 equals 0, and this is log base 2 of x equals log base 4 of x plus 6. Now we'll apply change of base rule. So this is log x over log 2. It's understood. This is base 10. So this is on the right side log of x plus 6 over log 4. And if you further simplify this, this will be log x over log 2 equals log of x plus 6 over log 2 square. So 4 can be written as 2 square. And if you further simplify this, this will be log x over log 2 equals log of x plus 6 over 2 times log 2 using power rule. Now we can cancel log 2 on both sides, and if you simplify further, 2 times log x by cross multiplying this 2 and log x, and this will be equal to log x plus 6 equals log x plus 6, and this is log x square equals log of x plus 6. So after removing a log, this will be x squared equals x plus 6, or x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. So we can split the middle term and factorize this. So this will be x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 equals 0. So if you multiply 2 with negative 3, you will get negative 6, and negative 3 plus 2 will give negative x. So this is x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals 3 or x equals negative 2. Since log of a negative number is undefined, we can reject x equals negative 2. X equals negative 2 is rejected as log of a negative number is undefined. Therefore, x equals 3 is the answer. Now let's move on to C. This is log base 5 of 5 minus 4x equals log base root 5 of 2 minus x. Now as usual we'll do the change of base rule. This is log of 5 minus 4x over log of 5 equals log of 2 minus x over log of 5 power half. So we can write square root of 5 as 5 power half. Now this is log 5 minus 4x over log 5 equals log 2 minus x over half log 5. Now we can cancel log 5 on both sides. So this is, and also we can cross multiply this half to the numerator on the left hand side. So this is half log 5 minus 4x equals log 2 minus x, and 5 minus 4x power half equals log 2 minus x, and now you can remove the log and write 5 minus 4x power half equals 2 minus x. Now we'll solve this. If you square both sides, squaring both sides, 5 minus 4x power half, if you square it, square root is removed and the right hand side will be 2 minus x the whole square, which is equal to 4 plus x squared minus 4x. And what is the left hand side? This is 5 minus 4x. So after cancelling negative 4x and negative 4x, the remaining things we can rearrange. X squared plus 4 minus 5 equals 0, or x squared minus 1 equals 0, or x squared equal to 1, and therefore x equals plus or minus 1. Now x has got two values, plus 1 and minus 1. If you look at negative 1 carefully, this will not make the log expression undefined. Usually we come across x equal to negative values and we reject them because it will make the log undefined, log of negative numbers. So normally we have come across problems like that, but in this case if you put negative 1 in both these expressions, for instance this is 5 minus of 4 times minus 1 will make it 5 plus 4 which is 9, and here 2 minus of minus 1 will make it 2 plus 1 which is 3. So here specifically negative 1 is not making the log undefined, therefore x has got both the values as appropriate solutions. So x equals plus 1 and x equals minus 1 are the solutions.